you've started noticing fine lines suddenly appearing. So that means you need to start using stronger skincare, more actives and more injectables. Nope, that's just wrong. Most of the patients I see with aging skin aren't undertreating their skin. They are actually overtreating and damaging it. And the one thing accelerating their aging faster than anything else isn't wrinkles or hormones. It's a broken skin barrier. And most people don't even realize it. I'm Dr. Sabana, a GP specialising in skin and aesthetics. And lately, I've been seeing the same pattern over and over again. People are doing everything for their skin, yet aging faster than they should. Here's what that looks like in real life. You wake up one day and think, why does my skin suddenly look older? Fine lines you swear weren't there last year. Makeup sitting badly, skin that just feels tight, irritated and reacting to everything. You add more skincare, more exfoliants, more retinoids, more acids. But instead of improving, your skin just gets worse. It gets redder, it gets drier, it becomes more sensitive. And then you're just more confused. I'm doing everything right, so why is my skin aging faster? This is where stress makes things worse. High cortisol levels from poor sleep, busy lives, constant stress of life, it quietly breaks down collagen and slows down skin repair. Add inflammation on top of a damaged skin barrier and your skin never gets a chance to recover. And this is premature aging in action. So you finally realise aging isn't speeding up because your skin needs more stimulation. It's speeding up because your skin has lost its ability to repair. So let's talk about how to actually fix this. There are simple things you can do at home with products you probably have sitting around in your dressing table. So start by fixing the skin barrier first. This isn't optional. This is the foundation to healthy, glowy skin. When your skin is damaged, collagen just breaks down faster and then the fine lines appear sooner. If your skin stings, burns, flakes or reacts easily, then that's a sign that your skin barrier is damaged. Focus on a gentle cleansing product. Something like CeraVe is a great cleanser to start off with. It doesn't have any perfume products, no actives in it, so it's a great starting point to repair your skin barrier. And then you can start adding a product that has ceramides in it. CeraVe also is a great band for this, and this is a great way to add a moisturising product into your skincare routine to help repair damaged skin barrier. Just remember, fewer products, but be consistent with them, and you'll start noticing a difference after 2 to 3 weeks. Unfortunately, boring skincare definitely beats aggressive routines every time. Once you've repaired your skin barrier, then you can think about retinoids. Retinoids are excellent for premature aging. They stimulate collagen, they improve texture and soften fine lines. But overusing it destroys the skin barrier. You don't need to use retinoids every night to get great results. You can start off with just using it 2 to 3 times a night, and most people will notice great results. If you want to learn more about retinoids and the differences between retinol, retinal and tretinoin, then you'll find this video helpful. And of course, SPF. This is a vital element of your skincare routine. UV exposure quietly ages skin even on cloudy days. So daily broad spectrum SPF protects collagen and prevents inflammation that leads to premature aging. So just remember, no SPF means everything else works harder and you actually get less benefit from your products. Now let's talk about sleep and cortisol. They matter more than you think. Most skincare repair happens at night. Poor sleep keeps cortisol high, which breaks down collagen and slows down healing. Unfortunately, even the best skincare routine won't override constant stress and poor sleep. Right, so you have now stripped down your skincare routine and you're focusing on repairing your skin barrier. You've also looked at your stress levels and looking at improving your sleep. So where do in-clinic treatments now fit into your skincare routine? So in-clinic skincare treatments are not always necessary, but they can be great at speeding up skin repair and giving you that extra help. So if you're anything like me and impatient and you want results now, then this is the time to look at in-clinic treatments. Just remember, clinic treatments should support repair. It doesn't replace all the skincare that we discussed earlier. You can use in-clinic treatments to help enhance recovery and they don't magically reverse your damage. So here are my top 3 in-clinic treatments. Number 1, polynucleotides. They help to support cellular repair and reduce inflammation. Number 2 is Profilo, which is great at providing deep hydration and in improving skin elasticity. Number 3 is microneedling, which is perfect for stimulating collagen, and it definitely respects your skin barrier. These all work best on the skin that's already calm, supported and stable. So if you think your skin is aging faster than it should, then just remember the answer isn't more products. Make sure you fix the foundation first, because healthy skin always ages better. Thanks for watching.